Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy Tuesday. You're checking out setup I sent to the team last night. Looks like it broke out for about 35 pips up from the wedge. Came back inside. Looks like the retest is failing. I mean, it did go for 18 pips, but only like 10 pips from where it closed on the retest strategy. Only gave 10 pips and now it's bouncing back. Go ahead and remove some of these things. Move this over here. Yeah, I think this works. Good morning, like I was saying, good morning, good morning. Got my coffee. Got my some banana bread this time, so that way I don't crunch. A friend of ours made some banana bread. It's my favorite. Good morning, Apes. Go ahead and share the screen. This is the GU from last night. Had a nice break. Guess I better save that. What was that 31 pips? 31 pips. It did not retest. Perhaps it is retesting now, but actually it closed back inside. Certainly retesting the 50 moving average. Let me put that up before I forget. Breakout, no retest on that one. So far, at least. Let's share for just a minute while I fix this in the community. Good morning, Danielle. Good morning, Chrissy, Dam, Chrissy, and who else? Andrea, also Australia. I hope it's a beautiful day over there. I know it's going to be a beautiful day over here. Because that's all we got over here is beautiful days. Any day that we wake up is a beautiful day. All right, let's go ahead and go back to sharing the screen. That was a breakout from last night on the trend line, on the wedge. There was no retest, came back inside. Once it came back inside, it retested the zone for 10 pips, and then so far it gave out. If you're on the fake out, now that the pre-New York is happening, that may be all it was going to give. 30-minute. Yep. Now it's curling back. It's coming back from the bottom. That's on the 4-hour. That looks bearish, but again, New York's about to open in just a little bit, about an hour and a half. So that action is done. Namibia. Wow. Welcome. The Resurgent Queen. I love that name. Beautiful name. Let's see. For those of you who are not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. Let me see. I don't have to click on that to make it live. Let's just go to the channel so you guys can see. Got tons of videos here. Okay, some very good information here. These London reviews are reviews from the setups from the night before. Obviously, I don't give the game on these. I just give a skeleton of the setups. But if you are, if you know enough, you know. Okay. Well, there's stuff here on mindset. There's stuff here on pivots, popular chart patterns. Excuse me, breaking bad habits, work ethic, patience, on setting goals, on discipline. There's plenty of stuff in here that will help not even a new trader, will help traders, period. Okay. I have a series called card chats with Robert. My wife was going through a rehabilitation on her ankle. So I just started making chats inside the car while I waited for her. And that became a thing. I have a whole bunch of them, like 35 of them. I talk about different topics. Again, I think it would be helpful for some folks. And if you find value in that, please go ahead and subscribe. Click your little bell so you get notifications on that. Let's see what gold is doing. By the way, GA dropped, didn't it, guys? GA dropped. Yep, like we said yesterday, right? I was just talking to you guys about this yesterday. How on this head and shoulder pattern here, see these bounces, bounce up, bounce up, bounce up, bounce up, that it could come back down one more time. All right, it could come back 2 times. But at some point here, I'm looking for this to bounce and break through. That's GA for you. It's beautiful. You don't want to miss it. Let's see gold. Gold is making a move for the highs. Let's see, what do we want to do here? Move this. Yeah, gold is making a move for the highs. Let's put it somewhere like that. Something like so. Something like so. This was the break from yesterday. That was nice. Perhaps we're getting ready to form a little cup and handle. Cup and handle to go up. But we don't know that. it breaks, maybe you catch a retest. Go 30 pips, 50 pips to the top. Yeah, it's pushing now. I caught this little move right here. It's bounce from the bottom. This action right here. Caught me about 13 pips there. So I'm chilling now. I'm missing all the comments. From Dubai. Wow. That's so cool. Welcome, guys. This is what I'm saying. Let me see what else I can see here. Well, it's breaking through it's breaking through the golden zone right now, isn't it? It's at it right now. This would be the perfect place for it to reject. If it's going to reject. We'll see. So that's all lining up. That's all lining up. Let's go back to GU. Again, this was last night. How can we adjust this, baby? I'm gonna take this out of there. It's just basically the low. Let's look at the 30-minute. Okay. If we're really gonna sell, let's come back and close below that. That's your little wall of action right there. It's kind of thick. What we got here? Antonio, hello. Good morning, buddy. Well, it's not morning over there. Stefan is on a sell. Well, I hope you were in a sell from up here. Because now you are running into support, or you ran into support already. I mean, this was a nice sell from up here. If you took that first close, that first 30-minute close, it paid about 28 pips. Now it's ranging. I don't think my wedge is much relevant anymore. We're waiting for the break of it. It broke. What else we got here? Oh, I just picked up on something else. Okay. Is that a 1 hour head and shoulders? Maybe not quite. Patiently waiting. Ooh, strong rejection on gold. Gold is rejecting that spot. Very strong rejection. Remember, that's the golden zone there from this move. That says that it hit exactly on 61.8, dude. Wow. Hit 61.8 and dropped 18 pips. I mean, it can't break it, but it did have a reaction there. Nice. Morning, Jones. Today was a little rough getting up for me. Still trying to get used to this morning thing. It was not as easy. Well, it wasn't easy yesterday either, but okay. Look at GU. If you're not in a sell on GU, I think that was your signal right there. What time is it? 6:45. I would like to see it close below. God bless you, Antonio. God is good, ain't he? God is good. Man, gold wants to drop so hard. I need to reclaim. In fact, I'm going to do that right now. Where is it? It's all the way over there. Give me a minute. Ouch. I've been trading without my heat wave. And I'm kind of like getting tired of that. My heat wave is on the phone I'm using to record. So I'm going to have to buy another license for my mini iPad. This is my, oh my gosh, that's going to drop so hard. Gold. Nice rejection. Very beautiful rejection. For those of you who are ready for it. It's going to take a minute to charge. Well, it looks like the fake out is working quite well on GU. For those who took it, once it breaks here, let's see if it breaks. See that move right there? If you haven't watched my video, the fake out on the channel, go check it out. You'll learn about that move right there. Nice, nice. Let's see the 30-minute. So basically, in this case, let me see, where is the zone that I had drawn? I think it's here. Isn't it here? It looks about right. I don't have the numbers. I don't have the numbers. But I would say it's somewhere in here. So that this is the close back inside, I'm thinking. And if I'm wrong, you guys can correct me. Stop loss there. About 30 pips. Take profit at the bottom. Was that 35 pips? That's 1-1. I'm from the Bahamas. Good morning. Bahamas are beautiful. The Bahamas are beautiful. Beautiful islands. Love it. I'm an islander myself. For those of you who don't know. Born in Puerto Rico. So funny I say that I was born in Puerto Rico and I wasn't. I grew up there. I was born in New York. I went to Puerto Rico when I was 4 years old. I don't consider myself a New Yorican because my entire education, my first language is Spanish. My entire education was in Puerto Rico. So I'm Puerto Rican through and through, both my parents. But having been born in the US, and I'm the only one in my family that was born in the US, I knew since I was young that I was coming to the US to live. And I've never had a desire other than that, than to live over here. But man, Puerto Rico is beautiful. And people are beautiful. The people from Puerto Rico are beautiful people. They're happiest people, some of the happiest people in the world. Kind of sad the situations happened over the last several years, especially since the hurricane. That is a 30 pip drop from the 61.8 on gold. Anybody catch that, by the way? I mean, I was just looking at it just in time for somebody to catch it. But I didn't catch it. Beautiful rejection. Very nice. Wow. Wow. Beautiful, beautiful move on gold. Important spot here. See what happens. Let me see how much of a drop that is. See that thing here with gold now. So far from the resistance, 30 pips from resistance. I would prefer to see it maybe close outside and come back inside. And then maybe we can take it, like for example, if it closed outside, came back inside, we could do something like that. Otherwise, then we want to see it go like that. Like I was teaching last night, that will give us our entry and our stop loss. Right now, stop loss will be all the way up here. You're entering at the bottom if you enter for a sell here. Could it keep going down? Yeah, it could keep going down. I could also wick you out and go all the way up. Wait. Nice rejection here. Let me see if I can make this a little lighter. It's so bright. That was a golden zone pullback also. Well, by impulse, I'm not sure what you mean. Are you talking about impulse moves? We're talking about the Elliott wave. What do you mean? I think you got a couple things connected in that question. And again, this is where a lot of traders get in trouble. Anticipating the move to the downside, they get in. Well, the move to the downside is not confirmed yet. This is support. Same thing with gold. Now, gold is breaking at the moment. Looks like it's going to close outside. It looks like it's going to close outside. That's a very impressive move. That's a bounce of the 50 though in the 1 hour. I want to see it come back to the, if it closes outside, I want to see it come back. Perhaps even strong come back and then give us a nice rejection wick. You can see that rejection wick, maybe we can take it. Yeah, an impulse move. Well, an impulse move is something like this, where you get an initial strong move in either direction. If you are ready for it, like again, if you were ready for the rejection of this area, potential rejection of that area, along with the golden zone, then you could take that impulse move and you be done with it. Like I would take this impulse move and be done. I'm not waiting for it to come all the way down here. I'm not waiting for it to keep going. I'm not waiting for anything. Because the moment, let's see. Yeah, the next candle that opens is going to be the hour candle. The 7 o'clock candle. Hour candles can go in any direction. Hour candles are confirmations for the big players. For a lot of big players who like to play on the hour candle, on the 4 hour candle. By the way, where's the 4 hour candle? Okay, nice rejection on the 4 hour candle. It's still good for 2 more hours. Yeah, this is where it's playing between here and here, with a minor stop in the middle. Okay, so that's the 7 o'clock candle now. I want to see it either go back inside and close inside, at least a 30-minute candle, or a rejection of this area to continue coming down. Outside of confirmations, I'm not doing anything. There's a minor zone here too, right? Bounce, bounce up. I And if it is a head and shoulders, no, it's not a head and shoulders. So yeah, impulse moves like that, okay, are either a signal for direction for some traders, and then they look for entry, or for the scalper, it's usually that's the move that they are looking to catch and be done with it. Tiny little move like this pays a ton of money. Same here. Same thing with that one. All right, let's see what's happening here on gold. This is getting interesting. Open my platform over here. All right. Yeah, impulse moves are sudden bursts of orders or energy. That again, like for example, this is an engulfing candle now, right? This is a bearish engulfing candle. It would seem that it's going to keep coming down now. So someone like me is looking for this thing to wick out here to then take it down. We got to be very patient though. It's above the 50 on the 1 hour, below the 50 on the 30-minute, and they're so close together that it's not like you can take one to the other. Seems to be rejecting now. If I was putting an entry for a sell, that would be my stop loss right above that wick. I think gold pays very well, Jones. It's just taking the time to learn it. Small moves like what you just saw pays a whole bunch of pips, which is in points really. It's not pips, but that was 50 pips. That's 48 pip move right there, or 480 points. On GU, yeah, possible bounce from the trend line. I mean, it's already bounced a couple times. I'm charging my mini iPad so I can get my heat weight back. How many pips is that from where it's at right now? 11 pip stop loss if I take the break of the low here. Need to see that wick though. 11 pip stop loss with potential 23 pip, 23, 33, 23 to 33 pip take profit. And you would think, you know, that, hey, it's higher now. Now will be a great time to enter. The problem is, again, not having any confirmation that it's actually selling. Just simply be a fake out to then go back up. I used the paid heat wave. Any news? We got news coming at 8:55. At 9 o'clock, we got a whole bunch of yellow folders. Man, well, it is NFP week, right? Again, going back, I've mentioned this before. I'm not sure if I said it here or not. Kind of move you can expect on NFP. This would have been the move to catch and be done with. Or maybe the rejection up here, but that one right there. Yeah, I'm just waiting for the iPad to charge. I'm tired of not having my heat wave. I'm doing okay without it, but well, it looks like my iPad also needs to be updated. So let's begin with that. I think I already did that. Going back in. And that's why we wait. See, now, for example, now if that was to wick hard and turn red, it will be a very strong sell signal. Much stronger than before. It could also come and close back inside. Let's give it a minute. See what it does. Yeah, Antonio, we got a bounce from the trend line. Still waiting though. Something's messed up with this heat wave. Yeah, it's telling me it's purchased, but anybody watch In the Heights? Has anybody been to see In the Heights? For those of you who are Latinos. It is so funny. For those of you who grew up in a Latin home, Latino home, Hispanic home, boy, that thing is so funny. Boom. There goes a strong move to the upside now. Looks like GU and gold are moving in tandem. Yeah, and the Heights originally was a play, right, in Broadway, and then they made it into a movie that they played. Was it Disney or was it HBO Max? I can't remember which one it was that they played it. Oh my gosh, I laughed so hard. So many parts of it. Watching and waiting. This is the kind of move right here that Josh would have taken. Is Josh here? Josh is probably up almost 20 pips. Josh, are you here? Guess not. Slept in today. Nice bounce on the 1 hour, 50. All the moving averages are so close. Is it reservoir dogs or is it reservation dogs? Not sure which one that is. Been waiting for all my shows to come back, but it's a good thing that we're gone. Give me time to develop other habits other than me watching these shows, although they are a de-stressor for me. I can get into a good show. Takes my mind away from stuff. My music over. No, I guess it's on hiatus. Well, my my heat wave is not allowing me. Let's go ahead and buy that one. Where are we at? What is this? Every time I oh, it closed back inside, didn't it? So let's see. What is that? That's 15 pip. 15 pip, 17 pip stop loss. Wow, look at that bounce on GU. Let me go ahead and restart this thing. How do I restart this mini iPad? I don't remember. Okay, that might have been it. Reservation like in the same year, some Ozark, Ozark, some other. Okay, yeah, I love Ozark. Really enjoyed it. Hi, Fran. Good morning. Yeah, I think it's time for a buy on gold. That's what I'm looking at. How many pips is that? 17, I said. 17 to catch almost 30. Stop loss right there. I think I will go in. See if I can do it before it disappears on me. Once it starts rejecting here. Can you climb that 50 for me, please? Can you climb that 50 for me, por favor? Can you go ahead and climb that 50 for me, por favor? Oh, my music decided to come back. Weird. What spread? What is the spread? The spread is low. Look at GU go. Let's see. The spreads on LQD effects are pretty good for gold. 1.4 right now. $1.4 right now. Yeah, I'm with LQDFX. They have pretty good spreads on gold. Yeah, it's pretty good. Well, now I gotta turn back on my thing here. My heat wave wasn't working very good. Well, if you're gonna buy gold, don't wait too long. I'm not telling you what to do. I don't do buy now or sell nows. But if you're gonna buy, you want to catch it while it's still on support. My heat wave is wigging out. Tells me I purchased it, yeah, but it doesn't let me access it. So what's the point? All right. It's really pushing. GU is really pushing. Rose gold or not. That's how it is. That's how gold moves. I'm going. I'm not going. I'm going. I'm not going. Maybe it's not going. And then again, maybe it is. If this, well, that's an hour candle, so that's going to be a while. Go rejecting the 50. Let's put the 50-minute instead of 30-minute. Let's look at the 1 hour. Eight minutes to the 30-minute candle close. Yeah, so I bought the heat wave and now I can't access it. So what's the point? What is that? 4 minutes? 4 minutes for the 30-minute candle close. I thought I had updated it. Yeah, I wonder if it's updated in my phone and not in my. Yeah, it doesn't show. All it says is open because I guess it is updated. When it comes to trading, I look what the price is doing. I don't try to think much. The analysis I do before, I don't think while I'm trying to trade, I'm just watching it. And based on what it does, then I take an action. I think that, looking at the setup, looking at what price is doing right now is acting bullish, right? It came back, found support, bounced from support. In this case, it bounced from the trend line. If you had the setup from TTA, if you're in TTA and you had the setup from TTA, then you already saw the bounce. It's bounced on the wedge. It went straight to the wedge and it bounced from there. It could be looking to break over the highs now. But we watch it, right? And we act according to what we see. Trying to figure out what it's doing. Like gold right now, up and down, up and down, up and down. The close of the candle will tell us. And this is the 30-minute candle. About to close. Okay, let's see what this does now. It closed. It looks like it closed back inside from my little area there. That's either a wick that you can use for as a stop loss for a sell, or it's bouncing now from over here. We won't know until this candle reacts. It's above the 30-minute, above the 50 on the 30-minute. It's above the 50 on the 1 hour. It's below on the 15-minute. 15-minute could be giving us a sell signal right there. But the higher time frames, usually the dominant ones, are bullish. Good job, Adam. That's awesome. wonder if it's at this point we're just waiting for the New York Open. The Dixie is dropping. Must be going back up now. Let's see. Oh, wow, it was dropping hard. This is the area of support that we had yesterday. It broke through that. So if this is breaking down, gold should be going up. Let's open that Dixie a little more. More support over here. Boy, it's going to drop hard if it breaks through here. Wow. Yeah, that's that head and shoulder we were talking about yesterday. That would mean a bounce of gold. We shall see. We got news, like I said, we got lots of news coming at 9. That's what, an hour and a half from now. GU keeps pushing up. The 50 seems to be holding on the 30-minute. That's the bad thing about trading, right? We don't ever know anything for sure. We wish you knew. We wish we knew, but we don't ever know anything for sure. We play on the probabilities and we go with it. What are the probabilities that if that 50 moving average holds, that it's going to go up? Well, obviously the probabilities are very strong if it holds. What are the probabilities if it breaks down below that it'll continue going down? Well, the probabilities are high they continue going down if it breaks that, especially if it breaks the low. So it's all probabilities. And with each move of the tick, then the probabilities increase or decrease. And that's what we're watching. Are probabilities improving or are they decreasing? Probabilities increase, then it gives us, how can I say, we begin to be biased for a certain position or direction. The moment that the chart tells us, no, that's not what we're doing, then we know that our bias is wrong, or our hypotheses, right? Our thesis of what it wants to do is wrong. And so we adjust to it. You know, there's no sense in feeling bad about being wrong. You just adjust to it. You know, and the faster that you adjust, the more you can save your account or profit. And no, my currency heat wave is not working after buying the higher one. Gonna have to contact these people. Give me my money back. Give me my money back. I want to buy me a latte today. Give me my money back. Okay, with this push up, if it breaks the high of the wicks, then I think, I'm talking about gold, I think it should keep going up. But it's indecisive right now. Can't make up its mind. Can't decide what it wants to do. Yeah, I'm disappointed. Something's glitching though with the heat wave. Who is scam? Who is what is the word? I guess we're gonna have to block. Bye-bye. It was rejecting us here. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to. Uninstall it. Now let's try reinstalling and see what happens. Gold seems to be rejecting after attempting to hold the 50. It's holding the 50 on the 1 hour, but it's not holding the 50 on the 30-minute right now. And it rejected on the 15. Hey, it worked. Thank you, Jones. I got my heat wave back. It's a little different though. Why is it so different? So there's no real strength in the GBP to push, as it looks like it's trying to push up, but there's no real strength on it right now. Well, it's still pushing though. Over here, let's see if it closes outside. Looks like it's pushing up. Where's my little, there it is. Let's see if this thing is gonna turn around. It did, yay! Wonderful. Okay, now we got the heat wave back. Looks like it's rejecting. Could it be breaking the lows here? Can't make up his mind. There you go. Got my heat wave back. All right. One more layer of defense. What is that? Was that the new 15-minute candle coming up? Yep. Minor support is still holding. I wonder if that should have been the, let's see. No. Well, but there is this here. There is this here. Maybe that should have been it. I mean, this was the original support. Then it might have created another one over here. Dixie may be holding. We'll see. Probably waiting. No, yeah, it got fixed, and I never even thought about just deleting it and re-putting it and putting it back in. I probably would have fixed the one on my phone too. The one on my phone is working. It just took a minute for it to start working. But of course, I can't use it because I'm using it as my camera. I got two phones now. I switched over to AT&T from Sprint. I was with Sprint for what, 20 years? And I always felt like, okay, it's not cool that they give new deals, for example, promotions. And if you're a new customer, you get the promotion. If you are an existing customer, 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, you don't get the promotion. I thought that was kind of scammy. Not scammy, but bad business. Bad business. So I moved to Port St. Lucie, and the day after I moved here, this AT&T guy shows up. I don't know how these guys know, man. They know that you're a new owner, because the water people showed up, a whole bunch of people showed up, right? And I guess this is like the old communities back in the day when people just showed up at your door. So this guy shows up and he starts talking to me about switching over to AT&T and the 5G reception up here and all this stuff. I'm thinking, well, if you give me the new iPhone 12, it's like I can give you $700 off the new iPhone 12. And I'm thinking, okay, can you give me $700 off of the 5 phones? He's like, yeah, I can do that. Oh, look at you go. Oh, right, because the Dixie is starting to fall again. And he said, yeah, I can get you that. So here you go. iPhone 12, practically free with 5G. I think all of this is just waiting for New York to open. I lost sound. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? I'm sure you can hear me now. Can you hear me now? Can somebody else not? Okay. Wondering. How much time? 10 minutes. 12 minutes. Yeah, about 10 minutes. 10 minutes and 12 seconds to the New York Open. Well, true to form, gold broke on the 15-minute, retested the 50 and dropped. It doesn't look like that support is going to hold. So far, that's what it looks like. It doesn't look like it's going to hold. Well, I mean, it won't. But right now, it's looking like it won't. It's basically hanging on the 1 hour. 50. That's a beautiful wick. Beautiful wick. We were talking about this in class yesterday, right? Here, I mean, you get a nice candle of rejection, right? But it's not so, the wick is not so clear. Here, the wick is not so clear now. Look at this 1 hour candle. That's powerful. 23 pip stop loss though. Gotta be aware of that. That's close to 1-1 to the bottom. And it's still holding. Just like the Dixie, it's just barely holding. the dollar was supposed to be getting weak. It look like the dollar's been getting weak since January. The strength index has it moving up and up and up. Maybe this is a correction now, finally. That little minor sword zone still holding. Looks like GU is rejecting that top zone at the moment. And we got 6 minutes to go on the 1 hour candle. Sales are still holding here. If you were in it, it's barely. It's barely. Still hanging out. That little tiny minor support still holding. It's gonna be, whoa, wow. Look at that rejection from the bottom. We'll see if that holds. 5 minutes to the hour close. And the New York Open. Good to see you, Luis. Buenos días. Dixie's dropping again. Well, it's kind of holding though, isn't it? Looks like it's dropping, but it's holding. So far, it's holding. Buen día, Josh. ¿Cómo está, Tigre? We're talking about gold holding this minor little place here, just barely holding it. Waiting on the 8 a.m. candle to open here in just a minute. Qué bueno saber. Three more minutes. Top zone still holding on GU. Yep, it's not broken out yet. I'm thinking that New York will break the top on GU. I don't know what was going to happen on gold, but I think seems to me you're going to sell on gold 1818. Well, and you didn't take profit already. That's 40 pips. Oye, te estás poniendo greedy. 49 pips. TTA in the building. Olari, welcome. Yeah, for those of you who don't know, I'm one of the mentors at trendtrading.academy. Trendtrading.academy. For those of you who are looking for a community to join that is supportive, encouraging, uplifting, and full of great content, trendtrading.academy. Best value out there. What we got? A minute and a half for the hour to close. Let's see if this time the 8 a.m. brings some volume. Yesterday, it wasn't until the 9 a.m. that we saw volume come in. So not used to the waiting part of these moves. Good job, Josh. Good job. Yeah, yo tomé la movida hacia arriba. La movida hacia arriba me tomé como 13 pips por ahí, algo así. Ya veía que se iba a detener. Se detuvo exactamente en el 61.8 del Fibonacci. Hey, Darren, welcome. $18 seconds to New York. See what New York brings us. Looks like this candle is still going to close underneath the zone on GU. And there's the open. See what we get. Ooh. Where's your I'm assuming your stop loss is in profit right now, Josh. Where do you have it? Wow. GU stopped exactly at the zone line. Exactly there. Okay, let's see if this support of gold holds. $18.15, okay. Again, there are lots of news coming. 8:55, 9 o'clock. I guess 9 o'clock is really 8:55 and 9 o'clock is when the news is going to be here. No estoy seguro, Josh. Yo creo que el oro quiere romper el fondo aquí. Ya veremos. Yeah, so this kind of thing right here makes me want to go back to London. Makes me want to go back to London. It's like, okay, New York just opened. What are these gringos doing? You know, what are they doing? What is it they're trying to figure out? London already moved. London already moved. Well, moved or didn't move, right? So they kind of have an idea of what the market's already done. Taking it up or down, they should have that figured out already. So what are they doing? When London opens, man, you get some moves. And you can determine pretty quickly what's happening. Here is like you gotta wait and wait and wait. Here you go. Looks like it's making up its mind. That's all it is. That's what it looks like. Dixie's starting to move up. That's all it is. It just looks like it. Don't mean diddly. The 1 hour is still holding. The stochastic RSI at the bottom. 30 minutes stochastic RSI at the bottom. 15 minutes stochastic RSI at the bottom. Thing on the 4 hours, right, somewhere in the middle. It just looks like receding. Oh. Ah. I'm going to keep trying. I've made a commitment for these mornings, so I'm going to stick to the commitment. But man, again, I think it was, well, actually, the 8 o'clock did move yesterday. It just took a minute for it to start moving. And then the 9 a.m. continued to move. And sometimes that happens in London too. Sometimes that happens in London. The 3 a.m. doesn't do anything, and the 4 a.m. is the one that takes off. It does happen. It is NFP week, so everybody could be a little cautious. You know, taking cautious positions, waiting for the end of the week. Could be, but traditionally speaking, NFP week has been good for TTA. Has been good for us. NFP week, that is. Not NFP. We don't trade it. Okay, looks like it's bouncing again. I saw Joel's comment in the community. I'm thinking, is he calling me baby? What the heck? I see what you're doing here, Joel. Yeah, Joel's got gold pegged. Joel's got gold pegged. I have what I have actually, for those of you wondering, le voy a compartir un video de mi entrada ayer en GU. Estoy editándolo porque se hizo largo y el movimiento que esperaba sucedió en Asia. Okay. Sounds good, buddy. No, this is not, this is a virtual office, guys. Those of you wondering, this is a virtual office. Eventually I'll have my office the way I want it. There's right now, this is just a money-making machine over here. Once I can get it the way I want it, then I'll share it. We're still waiting. We're still waiting. Okay. Those are strong moves from gold. Those strong moves are either to give us a wick that we like to see for a sell, or it has to break that wick up. One way or another, it would be nice to have it resolved. Go on with our day. Let's go to the higher time frames. Okay, so the hour gave us a very strong wick to the downside, but it held. The hour seems to be holding on the 50 moving average. It failed on the 30-minute, failed on the 15-minute. Well, if it came below the 15-minute, it's holding on the 1 hour. Higher time frames always more powerful, right? Four minutes for that 15-minute candle to close. They'll tell us something. Let's see. We're getting a wick on GU to the upside. Is that right? Yep. But it did create a high last night that it's going to run into. So we'll see. Lots of not doing anything kind of morning right now. So you were selling on the short term and then you're in a swing for gold up. Is that what you're saying? Mr. Josh. 32, he says. 32, 32, 32, 32, 32 is pretty high. I guess you're looking for the highs over here. That's ambitious. That is ambitious. That is a little ambitious. What is this, a massive wedge? What are we looking at here? I have no idea where that trend line is coming from. Oh. Oh, ascending triangle. Why do I have that there? It looks like it's completely out of place. Is that from the weekly? Yeah, it's from the weekly. Whoa. Okay. What is that? Ascending triangle? I don't know. It seems to me a lot more movement in here. And then maybe a breakout. Is that what you're looking at, Joe? Maybe a breakout? But a breakout? Oh, those highs, I don't think it's going to get all the way up there. Let's go back to our little world over here. What's happening in our little world over here? You guys remember Men in Black? Rejecting again. 30 seconds for that 15-minute candle to close. Whoa. The violence. My light just went down. Why? Turn that baby off. Okay, let's open this back up. Oh, look at that rejection. Okay, for those of you watching GU, okay, this nice little red candle forming here on, it's the one that's going to give you the wick if it's going to buy. Okay, this is the one that's going to give you the wick if it's going to buy. Heads up on that. That candle right there. It's the one that's going to give you the wick for the buy if it's going to buy. On gold, I guess we're in the same situation. This candle swallowed this one up, but if it's going to buy, this is the candle that's going to give you the wick. Right now, the Dixie is getting strong again, so therefore you get the move down on gold. Let's see. Yeah, Dean, I hear you. Yeah, GU was a fake out last night. It was a beautiful break of the wedge, you know, for about 32 pips or something like that. But it came back inside. That's what this little format is over here. After it came back inside, it should have paid out all the way down here. It didn't. It paid out like 10 pips. And that's it. So now again, if this is going to turn into a buy, this is the wick that is going to turn green moving up. Same thing with GU. Oh, look at that. Let's see if that holds. Almost like on cue. It's amazing. Prophetic. Let's see if it holds. It's really just consolidating here. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. See it there. Look for something similar on GU. We just want a resolution, don't we, guys? I mean, kill me or feed me, but do something. Okay, there you go. Let's see if this is the real deal. Once again, for those of you who are here who are not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and take care of that right now and like if you find content. This is all the content that I have here so far. Got a lot of mindset stuff here. For those of you who don't know, again, that's my specialty. That's what I went to college for, got my master's degree on, and that's what I'm an expert at, mental skills. So I got a lot of stuff in here for dealing with habits, dealing with faith, dealing with, let's see, work ethic, commitment, consistency. And I talk about the 50 moving average. I talk about the fake out in here too, risk management. I think there's a bunch of stuff here that's pretty good, helpful. For those of you who are interested, these London reviews are basically setups that I sent throughout London. Scaled down, right? So that's to be appropriate for YouTube. And yeah, I think you'll find a lot of value in here. And more will be coming, okay? Is that rejecting? Can't make up his mind. We're going up, we're going down, we're going up, we're going down. The Dixie is still good, it's doing the same thing. It dropped, now it's basing, right? Drop, base, drop, drop, base, rally, perhaps. We'll see. Same thing way over here with GU. Waiting on that candle to turn green to go up if it's going to be a bullish move. Thank you, Odari. Appreciate that. What time is it? 8:20. Well, it failed, or it's failing right now. That wick up, I think, is making up his mind. Took a sell on gold, put my stop loss at the top of the wick. And it'll be what it'll be. My reasoning behind it is that, again, if this candle was supposed to give me the wick to the bottom to go up, which is what it presented, should have kept going up. Instead, it rejected, gave me a wick at the top. And it's been threatening to break this for a while, right? So stop loss goes right there. Let me see. Let me see. Open this up. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It may fail me. Uh-oh. Something like so. This looks like it's gonna hurt me. It wants to hurt me. Almost 2-to-1 risk reward on that. If it fails to break the 50, I will close half of it. Watching it. Oh, there's that wick the other way. Oh my gosh. This is wild. I'm still holding. Let me see. I want to close half of it here. I want to give it a little time. I'm going to give it an opportunity. Well, volume is coming in for sure. That's when you see these violent moves. These violent reactions up and down. The volume is coming in. It's just undecided on direction as of yet. I mean, Joe will be happy if it keeps going down. He's got that, although he's on a swing, so he that's not going to hurt you if you're on a swing. You want to grab that. You want to grab that. What you call it? That scalp. You want to grab that scalp while you can get it. Well, look at that. It came back down. What's our blessed Dixie doing? Dixie can't make up his mind either. Wow, I was really having a hard time breaking through this. I assume that when it breaks, it's going to want to push down hard. I'm gonna go ahead and close half of this. I mean, it looks like it's still maybe going my way, but let me see if I can get it. I'm still holding. Still holding. Yeah, yo creo que sí. Yo cuando rompa va a correr. Va a correr por lo menos hasta ahí, hasta el fondo. Veremos. Estoy tratando de ser paciente con esto. Es que nuevamente no conozco muy bien el New York. Conozco muy bien el Londres. No conozco muy bien el New York. Entonces eso me hace what's the word in Spanish for hesitate? Pero me parece que vamos a tener el cruce de las líneas de promedio. You know, we're going to get here a moving average crossover soon. Well, it already happened here. It already happened on, what is this? On the 15-minute, it happened a long time ago. On the 30-minute, it's coming. Same thing for the 1 hour. Lots of pressure to the downside. Let's see, how many pips is that? Oh, 3 up here, 21. So it's basically 1-to-1 is what we got right now. But it's not as good as this over here. Okay, which candle is that? That's the 8:30 candle. Let's see what the 8:30 candle does for us. It's up 2 pips, 3 pips, 4 pips. I thought I had a better entry than that. Must have been a late entry. Back to 0, back to 2 pips, 3 pips. Struggling. It's fighting. No, estoy de acuerdo contigo. Estoy de acuerdo contigo. Creo que la venta viene hasta aquí y ya. ¿O no? ¿O no? Hace 15 minutos. Esta es la 30 minutos. Este es el de la hora. Yo cerré la mitad como quiera. Estoy bien, no importa lo que pase. Aún si me saca, aún así termino el día ganando porque gané anteriormente. Bueno, es que nuevamente, como te digo, aunque no nos agrade la venta, tienes que ver lo que está pasando, ¿no? Caída, 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 caída. This is on the 1 hour. You know? These are 1 hour candles, and each one of them is giving us rejections from the top. So on the short term, you may get a lot of movement up and down, up and down, up and down. But when you look at the bigger picture, even the green candle was wicked from the top, rejected from the top. So just simply watching, you know, reading the market structure and following what we get. We got news at 9. The yellow folders, but it's still news. If the trend is going to continue, then that little green candle is going to turn red. It's not a long-term hold as far as I'm concerned if you are in a sell, because the whole thing is bullish. You look at the whole move, right? So short term. Watch me close this darn thing and then it move. Because I'm with you, Joel. I don't like the present move. But looking at the bigger picture, it should sell. But between it should and it will is a big gap. It's a big gap. Still messing around. Was that just a retest right there? Was that just a retest of the 50 right there? And is that the, what is that? That's a 30-minute. Still fighting the 1 hour. Where's our blessed Dixie? Still messing around. Can't make up his mind. So which one is it that wants to fall? Looks like the Dixie wants to fall. And then gold is like teetering. Let's see. Ya veremos, ya veremos, ya veremos. Yeah, so far right now it's looking like a retest of that 50. But it's holding. And the heat wave is still not giving us any indication that it's actually gonna, that GU is gonna go down. Dixie pushing up. We'll see what happens to gold. How much time to the 9 o'clock? 27 minutes? Or 23 minutes? 23 minutes? Aquí seguimos esperando. Nuevamente, el GBP USD rechazó la zona de arriba. It's going to be even more clear. If GU is going to turn into a buy, it's going to even be more clear, right? Once the wick starts going up, if it goes up. Otherwise, I would think it's going to drop. Like hard. Break right through this and keep going down. They're spamming me again. What's up with these people? I wonder where these spammers get their. You know you're doing something when they start spamming you. Okay, so it looks like it's rejecting that 50 again, and it's still messing around there, though. It's having a hard time. This is the kind of thing, again, that happens just before a strong move. So let's see if we get it. Looks like the Dixie is starting to move up. What we like to see is a very strong move on the Dixie, and then we'll get that big drop on gold. Okay, back to the pippage here. Wait, what? Back to being up a couple pips. Ay, la paciencia, señor, que toma esto, la paciencia. Vamos, Orito, vamos. Three, 5. Oh, maybe it's making a move. 5 pips. 5 pips. Come on. Push, 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 push. La paciencia. What is it waiting for? Is it waiting for the crossover? What is it waiting for? just tells me to breathe. I'm good either way. I closed half of the position when it was at practically break even. I think it was minus a pip or something like that. So if it goes all the way to my stop loss, I'm still positive for the day. And anything here that I win is gravy. So let's see. And then that will be it. If we get a win here, it'll be it. 5, 6. 6 pips. 6 pips. Why is it, Josh, that we never get gold when it's just roaring in our direction? You know? It's almost like we have to endure all of this to then get it to move. And by the time it moves, you're exhausted. Right? You're exhausted from watching it. So it should go. Everything is telling you it should go, right? Boom, there it goes. That was 10 pips right there. That was 10 pips, 11 pips. Come on, baby. 12 pips. There you go. Come on, push it. Push it good. Da-na-na-na-na. Come on. There you go. Let's go. What time is it? Gotta keep an eye on the time. Oh, yep. This is where like you know, you take 10 pips and then it goes for 50. Ciencia fe. That's why I was asking you about you guys watch In the Heights, because that song is there. Paciencia y fe. Well, it hit 12 pips. I think it's gonna get more here in a minute, but it is painful to watch it retreat like that, right? It's because people take profit. If it hits that 12 again, I might take it. Because that 12 might be support. Let's see if I get it. Sí, te pone a sufrir, sí. Let's go, let's take a quick look at this. Is there a reason why it would stop there? Well, there's something here. Pivot there. Anybody look into the pivots? No. And rejected at the pivots. Well, that would have helped us. Have we seen it before? Rejected at the pivot, rejected at the pivot, rejected at the pivot. That would have helped. My TTA peeps should have been, hey, where's the pivots, Robert? So, you know, it should come and test this. It's that 12 pip again, I'm taking. It's at 7 now. Because in 13 minutes, we get that next candle. That 9 a.m. candle could take it in a different direction because it's got news. Well, that hurts. Back to the starting point. Good, Jones. I'm glad my suffering is bringing you joy. You just have to be okay with whatever the outcome is, you know? Can't get too high, can't get too low. What's horrible about this candle is if it doesn't resolve in my favor, then it could turn into that doji, that bottom doji that takes it back up. I'm not looking to hold this past 9 o'clock. Again, in 12 minutes, we have news. There are all yellow folders, but it is a whole bunch of them. Yeah, all of this stuff. So if I don't get the push I want, I'll end up closing probably before 9 o'clock. Okay, here he comes back. Trying to make a push. It's not that much time, Jones. 10 minutes. Let's get it done. I mean, the 9 o'clock candle could still take it in our direction. But the unknown, the uncertainty throws our probabilities off whack, right? I mean, we're not looking for a gamble. We're looking for a trade. And so if my trade is not resolved in time, I just get out. I'm done. Whatever pippage I get is what I get. So it keeps bouncing off of the 5 and 6 pip profit. I mean, it went all the way down to 12 and then it did that big wick. Still got a little bit of time. Back to 6. 7. Now it's making a move. 8, 9. 8. This is so tempting, right? To take the profit. Jay would have taken profit already. Jay on his $200 lot size, when that thing hit 10 pips, he would have taken it. I've been $2,000 to him. So, you know, it's not like I need to be holding this forever. Give me one more strong impulse to the downside. Oh, there it is, 8. Come on, now's the moment, 8. Oh, 12, I got my 12. I got my 12, woohoo! Now watch it go to the bottom. It got me 12. That's gonna be it for me on trades today. Gonna watch the reaction of yep, this is it right there. Come on. It hit the bottom for my peeps, but I'm out already. Hit the bottom for my peeps. You can do it. Watch for a strong bounce here. Nice, nice move. Oh, there it is. There it is. There it is. Come on, do it. Do, 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 do. Yeah, I think he's gonna touch it. Congrats on all who took it. Congrats to all who took it. That was a, let's see, how many pips was that? 24, 25 pips. 25 pip. 25 pip win for those of you who took it. I got 12. Good job, Daniel. Good job, Daniel. Yeah, Mr. Jones, the problem with that is we're not looking to squeeze every pip out of it. You know, we try to get, and it could hit it again, and by 9 o'clock, it could hit it. But if we get a strong move that is nearing our take profit and is likely to reject, which is what it does here, it could drop so hard and go back up so quick that you don't have a chance to close it. So just take profit. You got 3 minutes left. You know what I do like about the morning trading? Oh, there it is. What I do like about the morning trading, yeah, 15, 20 pips. 15, 20 pips. Today I got me more than that. Today I got me, that's 12 and 15, 12. I got about 24 pips today. It's fine. There it is. Boom. TP. Nicely done. Nicely done. Very nice. Very nice. Look for a reaction now here. Like a bounce up. The 9 o'clock candle could continue up, down, but likely to bounce up, retest, and then go down maybe. I don't know. I don't know what the 9 o'clock, it doesn't matter, right? But I was gonna say, what I like about the morning is being able to do your trading, make your money, and then go about the rest of the day, right? During London, you're trading and then you're just aching to go back to bed. You know, if you get good rest during the night, you can get up early, do your exercise, do your meditation, get here to trading, catch your move. You know, some days you'll lose, right? But when you catch your move, make money first thing of the day, and you're done for the day. Go do the rest of your life. You know, go spend time with your family, take your kids to school, go do the grocery shopping while your wife is at work, clean the kitchen, mop the floor. Actually, no, I hired somebody to do that. Nice move, very nice move on gold. Yep. What kind of move? How many pips was that move? Well, from there, 35 pips, 33 pips. Now I feel like Jones was trying to tell me something. Good job, Jones, if you held. Good job if you held. Don't hold it much longer. We got about 7 seconds. Okay, there's the 9 o'clock. And now we have news. Now it's bouncing off support. That was the gold and it hit it. Beautiful. I think I'm gonna be done, guys. I think I'm gonna be done. Let me look at GU. Still messing around. Good job, Josh. Good job, Josh. The hour candle always has a reaction. Most often, at least initially, it goes against you. But, you know, having maxed on your position, on your trade, you know, again, why gamble? Just take your profit, go home. Nice little win we got there. Let's see, I'm looking at GU. GU is still hovering above in the upper zone. Creating lower lows though. I mean, lower highs. Okay, beautiful rejection there on the 9 a.m. candle. I don't want to live through up and down again, so I'm done with that. So did anybody else benefit from that? Anybody else took advantage of that gold move? Anybody? You understood my process? You understand the process of taking that sell? This is how we started. Let's break it down. This candle right here. Okay, we have a bounce, right? This candle right here was red initially, And then we're waiting for it to turn green as an opportunity for it to go back up and break through. When it failed to do that, it gave us a signal, right? And then it comes and closes at the bottom of the zone, if not completely outside of it, because I can't tell from there. And it goes back and retests. Now, once it closed, I'm trying to remember, my entry was somewhere in here. My entry was somewhere in here for the sell. The stop loss up here. Comes back, retest, gives another wick, another confirmation of a sell. Goes back up, there's another wick, a confirmation for the sell. Pretty easy, really. I mean, it's scary, right? I mean, not scary. It's uncomfortable when price is doing the up and down, up and down, up and down. Okay, where's K Deuce? K Deuce is not here, but okay, I'm beginning to see that the 8 and 9 o'clock candles where it's at. Let's see, this is the hour. This is the 8 o'clock candle. And you have to wait a whole hour for it to close. And this is a 9 a.m. candle. So we did get the volume with the 8 a.m. candle. It just doesn't move as fast as London. That's 2 days in a row. Kevin Thomas. Who's that? Is that UK News? I can't tell. Wow, look at that move. Woohoo! Holy smokes. Look at that pippage. It's coming over here, like we said before. Right, Joe? This is what we talked about yesterday. It coming over here. Stopped here, went back up. Looks like it's going there today. Beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, so again, my thought process, so that you understand my thinking, why I went in and whatever. Going back to the 15-minute. Here we go, breaking it down. Let's go ahead and do the replay. Can we do it? Let's go to the 5-minute. Let's see what the 5-minute looks like. Okay, there you go. There you go. Okay, so it's moving up, right? It was red coming down. And I said, when this turns green, right, going up, it should leave us a wick down here to go up. All right. So, and break the high. So it gives us the wick on the bottom, but it doesn't break. It doesn't break through. So the moment it doesn't break through, it gives us the opposite wick, right? It starts going in the opposite direction. There, okay, there you go. It starts coming down. And on the 15-minute, that's what it looks like. All right. So once I have that, okay, I'm looking for sales, right? And I can't remember. I really don't remember. I'll have to watch the video. Did I enter on this candle or the next one? Not sure. Okay. I can't remember. But, and you had the up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. That's what gold does. Up and down, up and down, up and down. As long as it's not breaking, you know, your structure, you're good. Okay. Stop loss goes to the top of the wick. Take profit comes down here. It just played out beautifully. I mean, look at that thing. Woohoo! TP2 over here. Holy cow. I guess I had a zone there before from gold. Look at that beauty. Look at that beauty. Wow. Boom. TP2. Powerful. Powerful. Whoa. Let's see. Where's TP3? Down here. Remove that from there. TP3. Will it reach? I don't think so. Could it reach TP3? I don't think so. Yep, GU going too. Boom. Hey, that's another win. Wait a minute. Time out. Yeah, it hasn't broken through yet, but we have been, well, basically, I didn't do it, right? I'm talking to you guys as if you had taken this on the rejection of the top, on the fake out, right? If you had taken the fake out, this is your setup. Your entry was somewhere around here. Your stop loss goes up here. Your take profit is down here. It goes up nowhere near your stop loss, and it's now coming down to your TP, which is the bottom zone. The bottom zone, okay? Somewhere in here, let's take profit. So if you took the fake out, you had to wait a lot of time. No question about it, right? You entered, what, how many hours ago? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hours ago. You would have entered on the sell and had to wait it all out, but it's paying you out. It doesn't get as resolved, I guess. New York doesn't get as resolved as look at that move from GU. Woohoo! Dixie must be roaring up. There goes the Dixie. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. I think I'm going to be using the Dixie more. I like it. What a beautiful move. So again, guys, if you're trading gold, and you can trade it with low lot size and not worry about what happens, okay? Just look at the structure, follow the structure. Don't worry about the up and down moves in the lower time frames. Just watch the structure and follow the structure. Use your lot size in accordance with the structure and where your stop loss would be, okay? We took advantage of, this is the major structures, and then we took advantage of the minor structure that we had right here as a potential entry, okay? Once it broke through, then that was it, okay? I think I broke it down enough. You guys good? So I'm about to close it. Wow, what a beautiful move. That was a nice little trade we got. Wow, powerful. Still dropping. Still dropping. Impressive. Okay, anything else? Be sure to like the video. If you guys got any value from this, be sure to like the video. If you're not yet subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. All of it helps, right? And yeah, and I'll be here not tomorrow. I will not be here tomorrow. I'll be here Thursday and Friday. Friday, I don't know. I may be here anyway to watch NFP, even though it's a no trade day. But I may be here to watch NFP. Good. Okay. All right. Sounds like you guys are good. And we done. For those of you who were in class last night, again, the wick, right? Gotta wait for that wick. We want to see that wick. We saw the wick. That's the story. End of the story. Okay. Shutting it down, guys. I know this is lagging, so I'm not quite sure. How long does it take? Every time I close it, it seems like later on when I watch the video, I realize I closed it way too soon. So, but because it's lagging, let me see. I'll close it and then I'll stand here like, hey, have a good day. And then I have to like sit here for a little while. Okay, guys, have a great day. It was a good trading morning. I don't know what else to tell you. I guess if there is a setup tonight, I may be able to have an opportunity to send it tonight. I'm not quite sure. We'll see. If you, let me take a look real quick. It's still bouncing off of support here, but it should break through. GU, that is. Okay. If you didn't already take profit, that's about 15 pip. And that's it. I'm done. Okay. God bless you all. Have a great day. Bye-bye.